Okay, today we're down here at our little camp spot that we're working on. It's at the bottom of this hill. We're gonna do some camping here in November when it gets cold. There's our little stream. And here's where some water comes out of the ground. You can see we built a little waterfalls there, but there's no water coming out there. All the water pretty much is coming out from this hole here. There's another hole above it, and if I look in there with a light, I can see it opens up a little bit. Not big enough to get into, I don't think. There's also another hole up underneath of that bank. I have this selfie stick taped to a bamboo stick, and I'm going to tape my phone to this, and we'll put it in here and see what's down inside there. Might be a raccoon, might be nothing. We did let a garter snake go in there about a week ago, didn't we, Bonnie?
Yep.
But I doubt he's in there right now. So let's see what it is. I'm going to take this film, and Hannah found a crawdad.
He looks camouflage.
Alright, we're going to let him go in this water here. Why don't you go ahead and let him go in there, and he'll find a place for the winter.
I want to see the camouflage back.
Let him go in there.
Go on, buddy. I'm stunned.
Okay, here we go. Let's try it again. Boom, down in the hole. What do you see? What's back there? Longer stick. Because I watched the footage and it looked like we had to go farther back. What do you see? See any better now? Right now you're about 5 foot in the hole. I got about a 5-foot stick on my phone. Plus my arm, so it's about 6 feet. About 6 feet in right now. Can you see the stream? Any critters? Alright, coming out. Okay. What it looked like that time. Okay, so we had to do some digging. Okay, here's where we put the camera up. And about 6 feet this way, I dug a hole. And it was only about 10 inches of dirt, 10, 12 inches of dirt before we hit the... So now we get to see a little farther. What do you see that way? Does it get bigger or smaller?
Let's see.
We muddied up the water pretty good digging.
There's nobody smelling.
Alright, I don't think I'm going to dig anymore tonight. But that's pretty cool, huh? So there's our sunken stream adventures for today. Thanks for watching.